don't push me. This is the famous Top of the World Trail, about 30 miles outside of Moab, Utah. 19 miles of off-road trail out and back. Typically, you would see lots of other Jeepers on this trail, but this day, we had the whole trail to ourselves. Guess I just gotta keep going, right? The trail is long and grueling. We were aired down, but it was still very bumpy the whole way. The trail starts out as smooth gravel, which is very deceiving as it becomes more technical the deeper you go into the trail. Plan a whole day for this trail and make sure you fill your gas tank. Even though the trail is a vast, never-ending, bumpy road of rocky steps and obstacles, it is so worth it in the end. The view from Waring Mesa is so worth it. Pictures do not do it justice. The view is nothing like I've ever seen before in my life. Absolutely spectacular. It's on a 3,000-foot cliff overlook, a must-see for every Jeeper. I don't see where this ledge thing is. At least there's trees. Don't push me. Top of the world, Jeep badge of honor. Amazing trail. It's definitely worth the trip and definitely worth the bumpy bumps.